This is the Vintage Coach Mini Watson bag, style number 6606 in the color black. And this bag was made in China in the year 2002. So as you can see, this is a crossbody bag. And it's got the matching two-sided hang tag. And it's got a front turn lock closure. So this is how you would open the bag. And obviously this is a pretty small miniature size bag, so this might be a good option if you just want to carry some lightweight kind of essential options or items, and you don't want to carry something that's going to be very heavy. This might be a good option for that. So here's the front, here's what the sides look like. This is where the strap attaches to the bag, and then here's the back. And then when we open the bag again, it does have a slip pocket underneath this front flap here. And then it's got another pocket along the back of the bag. So it's got these two small little pockets. And then here's the inside. And then here's the Coach Creed as well. It's along that back pocket, and hopefully you can see it well on camera. I'll insert a close-up photo of the Creed as well so you can see it a little bit better. So that is the Mini Watson bag, style number 6606, and this bag is available now in our online store. And we do have a couple of Mini Watson bags available right now, so you could check out the store if you're looking for one. But otherwise, I just wanted to share this bag with you guys. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.